All right, good afternoon. Today, FOMC. We got like 3 minutes left. Basically the zones that I drew earlier, they're pretty much still intact. I think I'm gonna yeah, I think I'm gonna just move this. Yeah, that there. That's basically just a range. Um, maybe a little support right there, but pretty much you got nice clean buys up top and you still have cells below this. Like it's look at that, it's nice and clean, right? 2 minutes left. This is 30 minute. Okay, now if you look at the 50-minute price action, big with projection. All right. So what could happen is, I mean, I'm not gonna be taking trades at 2. I'm gonna wait till 2:30 because on my analysis, if you watch here,
I know just knowing myself.
right? This is at 2:30. 2 o'clock it drops. 2:15 indecision. You wait for the press conference. It does a candle flip and shoots the other way. Other point right here. 2 o'clock it shot up. Didn't go as much. Drop. Liquidity grab. Flipped. Other shot the other way. Over here. Same thing. Indecision. Boom. Flipped. Shot. Shot up. So whether this market does shoot up, it's okay. Right? Same thing. Oh, I think that's the same day. Here we go. Here's another one. Yeah, so dropped, indecision, broke up, right? So I'm expecting the same thing to happen today. Going to be using half risk. To trading MetaTrader. This is what I would take, but I'm gonna still wait for 2 a.m. 2:30, right? Because one, I'm gonna get slipped regardless. Does not make sense for me to have to move the zone. 8 seconds. All right. So I'm gonna miss creating this zone. Something else. Oh, and there you go. See, big spread. I might have gotten filled somewhere up here. Stops here. 120. Boom. Wow. See that? I would have lost. Would have lost. Man, bad. That move had some big spreads. You got to be quick with it. I probably, yeah, I wouldn't have made so much, man. I think I would have got split and stopped out there. Mm. So, go watch 30 minute. As I said, clean traffic to the left. All good. Let it fill it. Big golds. It's a gold, gold looked pretty easy buy stops. And it made sense, Good, there you go. Hit that TP. Bigger TP now. There it is. Go to trading view. So we hit this resistance up here. Okay, I'm gonna move my cow just in case. But here, you can see it 2:30 in 1 minute it dropped. Right? And yeah, shot all the way up. Where was my I did take the 172 for 250, yeah. Be risky. Um we're breaking this. Maybe we'll break that. And here it's still clean to the left. This was, I think, the previous FOMC, August 26th. Is that a FOMC day? Maybe it was CPI day. Yeah, it was a CPI day. That was where they're just like correcting that move. I'm just gonna wait for the 2:30 for the speech. I'm gonna see. I have no FOMO. I got no emotions right now. Just watching this move. I have this marked up. Oh yeah, I do. So I have the upper zone already marked up if it wants to continue. But maybe it'll just reverse once Powell starts talking. That's Rogers chat going off. Excited. I mean, the only thing if I were to capture this trade because it was super clean is I would have got slipped. But how many pips would I get slipped? You know, went up, dropped, and then it goes back up again. You wouldn't even see it. See, it was somewhere like maybe up here, 38, 200. It's not even worth it, man. Don't push it. This will get it 1667. Just watching this. I think I'm gonna pause soon and just wait.
No change in the quality of it, just changing the price. And they talk about inflation. You know, we're dealing with that. Folks say inflation is a worldwide problem right now because of a war in Iraq and the impact on oil and what Russia's doing. War in Ukraine. Got Iraq because that's where my son died. But the point and
a 75 basis point increase by the Federal Reserve, bringing the target range for the Fed's benchmark interest rate to 3.75% to 4%. The decision for a fourth consecutive 75 basis point increase was unanimous, but this statement does add a new flexibility on the pace of future rate increases. The Fed now says that it must pursue monetary policy that is, in its words, sufficiently restrictive to return inflation to its 2% target over time. The Fed now says that in determining the future path for interest rates, it will consider what it calls the cumulative tightening of monetary policy and also the lags between its monetary policy actions and their impact on inflation and overall economic activity, acknowledging that there is a lag between the actions that it's taken to date and the impact that they've had on the economy so far, raising new questions about at what point the Fed could perhaps evaluate the impact of those actions and at what point they'll be fully baked in. Back to you.
All right, so that's basically what it is. He still has a press conference at 2:30. So here you can see it's still just rejecting. Here's that. So wherever this candle flips, you know, we could continue to see some price movement. Yeah, all depends where it is. Gonna pause and yeah, I'll come back right before 2:30 to see how this finishes up. All right, we got 90 seconds until 2:30. This is a 4-hour time frame and it shot up. So now when we look at it to the left, it's just so clean. It is so clean to the left. Right here. Right? So price is right here. Market can shoot all the way up. Even all to this wick if it wants to, maybe. So this is a 30. Right. This is what I'm watching. Pretty big. Now on MetaTrader, I'm gonna be waiting for that candle flip entry. Now it looks like might as well just take a buy up here. You can see at the bottom down here, it's 0.5% risk, 200 pip stop loss. I'm gonna be using magic keys to handle the trade. I'm waiting for that candle flip entry. TP is gonna be all the way up here for about 400, 415 or so. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Half risk. I need to see a flip. I need to see a lower wick. If it shoots up without a wick, that's fine. Because this is what I analyzed, right? Also, if it retests this support and flips, that is beautiful. This is a low, high of 40. Let's do 50. Figure on open trade. This is a 5-minute, so stop loss is too big. Might manage it based off 5-minute previous highs and lows, but over here is a nice support area, so no, shouldn't. I like that this is retracing, because if this flips bullish, then I can use current candle stops. Also here, the 30-minute close bullish. 50 minutes close bullish. Actually, nice setup. Almost no lower wick, no upper wick, so this would be the liquidity grab. And if it drops, if it breaks this low, this is not a flip. Like, because I've seen the market react so much faster than this. This is not fast at all. This is pretty slow. Low of 91. There we go. I'm gonna place my buy stops up here. That is a low. If it flips bullish, then we should continue up. Stop loss is for 170, so gonna try and get 170 pips in profit. If it breaks its own low, then I'll cancel the buy stops. Risking 176, almost 2 to 1. So 150, 170. Even with half risk, I'm getting nervous. Well, let's see on the 15 if there's any resistance. I don't think there's any. I see traffic. This goes all the way back to August something. Here we go. Yeah, see? Once we clear this buy stop, clean traffic. Ooh, all the way up there. 70. Okay, so I might have to take 150 to 170. That's what I might take. Still going up. This is honestly some low or slow volume. This Powell's still talking, man. Still respecting that low. So previous 5 closed bearish. Big respect that. If I get faked out, it's all good. Yo, I lose 90 bucks. Well, half a percent. Right. Here we go. Maybe we'll flip now. If it breaks it, looks like we'll get it. Alright. I'll do 160. Go. I'm gonna document this. Ooh, faked out. The one time it did not work. Wow. Damn. It's okay. Damn. Good thing I What is this? I think I entered just after it. Yeah, no setup. Okay. Wasn't even a candle flip. Alright, so I think I'm done. Now I lost half a percent. Not bad. There's gold dropping. Yeah, there was no setup this time. Oh. Base off the 15, there's no setup. Because one, I'm not gonna take a trade like this. 250, it dropped 200. Or maybe I analyzed it wrong. This is a 230 candle. Went up and then it dropped. But that's tough. Yeah, no, it's okay. Because this candle actually dropped and then flipped bullish. That was there. And then there was another setup first as soon as I got stopped out. Would have been nice. 200 pip risk, make 270. It's okay.
It's been so long since I saw you last. Wish I could turn back time that we had. It ain't the same when you can't be found, but I love the feeling when it comes around. So don't waste time with me, you should know. Your heart's been broken, I was mistaken. I can't believe that I let it all go. Don't wait up for me when you're lonely, 'cause I can't be there for you, I'm sorry. I wish that I could change tomorrow just for me. All the times that we spent, will I find love again? And baby, I waited on you so lonely. You tell me don't break, but I'm getting so weak. I wish that I could change tomorrow just for me. All the times that we spent, will I find love again? I might be lost. I might be lost. Yeah. Standing on the edge of something new. I wish that I could go forget about you, but no, I can't, and no, I won't. You kept me safe in this broken home. Where
Alright, so watching this thing, this 30-minute could close like this. And maybe it'll still flip, right? It would have the same setup. Big bullish candle, small bearish, and big bullish candle next. But pretty much hesitant on taking another trade. Didn't lose much. Should be okay. I mean, here in hindsight, watching the 15, that would have been a fake out. But at the same time, man, it also dropped. Just thinking to myself, how could I pot this drop? You know, one, I don't watch 5 minutes. Goes there, it dropped, bullish, build on the buys, and then just sold off. Maybe, you know, this was a slip. 30 pips. 30 pips away. I was thinking, what if? Here, no trade because the slippage was big. Indecision candle. Yeah, no, you know, I think I followed the plan. Because every time the 215 candle has an indecision or a small candle, and wherever it breaks, that's typically where it goes. And I could look at all the past FOMCs. Down price, probably wick builder. Ooh. Just gonna pause here, and I think I'm pretty much done, but gonna see how this thing moves. Gonna do half risk here. Maybe a setup. This wick bill is 96 points, pips. Basically a 30-minute close below this zone. And we got clean traffic to the left. Previous 5 minute was bearish. So this could just do a candle flip entry. And if I lose, that's okay. This is a low of 50. Oh, this is a 40. Ooh, nice. Let's see if it respects this previous 5. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay. I 44. 100 pips. 95. I mean, just the fact that this full hourly goes bearish. He was 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours undecided. 1 hour closed bearish. Just below that support. 30-minute as well. But it looks like it's retracing. And it's making, yeah, higher highs. Could be a reversal, but not gonna take this. I think I'm just gonna shut it down. High of 46, we'll go to 50. I'm gonna rewatch this video. Yeah, it's just making higher highs. So no trade. Gonna shut it down, but I'm gonna rewatch this because no, it dropped. See, look at this. 1 minute price. Ooh, wow. Okay, well, this one doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, now it's breaking the previous 5, so this is clearly invalid. Okay, yeah. So here, if you just watch the 1 minute price action here. Hey, where is it? Here's 230. Its first price 240. Oh yeah, 230, yeah. So 230. This is where it closed, right? Price first dropped, went up, and then dropped, went down 113 pips, broke this high, big bullish action, filled and sold off. So I'm pretty sure like this was a candle flip, man. It dropped, boom. It just decided to drop in 1 minute, 300 pips. So not bad. Yeah. So no. Mm. Yep. Alright, I can end it. Just reanalyze. See y'all tomorrow.